What's up everybody, it's your girl Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I am going to be trying out Aldi makeup. Can y'all believe that? Aldi, you know, the grocery store, Aldi. I'm going to be checking out some makeup from them. I was actually gifted these from my sweet sister-in-love. And she was like, yeah, you know, you should try these out and see if they're any good so that we can know. I'm gonna be trying out these palettes, you guys. I have never tried these before, never heard of them. So this is definitely gonna be a first impressions for me. I haven't even opened them. So let's go ahead and check them out. Let's go ahead and get into this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Your girl is really fun. I'm kind of silly. I'm kind of chill, laid back, you know. I'm giving homegirl vibes, sis vibes. So go ahead and smash that red subscribe button if you haven't already. If you already are subscribed, hey girl, hey, welcome back. So I have 3 of these palettes right here. I'm thinking that I want to like try out maybe like one here, and I'm thinking about maybe doing like the other ones on my TikTok. I'm just gonna see like how this video goes. I like the way this palette looks right here. It is their Smoky eyeshadow palette, and this one is the Nectar eyeshadow palette. And this palette they're just calling the Three eyeshadow palette. So I don't know what that means, but they call this the Three eyeshadow palette, the Nectar eyeshadow palette, and the Smoky eyeshadow palette. I guess because it's kind of matching like my outfit. I have been wanting like a cool tone palette. It has like some warm and some cool tones here. So I am kind of curious to try this one out. I'm gonna open all 3 of them and show you guys how they look. I'm not like a huge Aldi shopper, but they are good. They are good, but I don't typically shop there that often. But this is pretty cool. But no shade, no nothing to anybody that shops at Aldi. But this is super nice, y'all. You know what it's kind of giving? It's giving like Urban Decay Naked vibes. It's kind of giving like the Urban Decay palette vibes. It looks really nice. I'm gonna try to swatch a couple. But I see like some satins, I see matte. One is kind of shimmery a little bit. But these are all the shades right here. This is the Smoky palette. But yeah, when I was growing up, my dad, he definitely shopped at Aldi. And oh, look at this. I'm trying to tell my little story, but I'm getting blown away by the packaging. The Nectar palette, super cute. Wow, Elise, okay, you might have been on to something, Elise. I'm feeling these. Oh, look at that gold in the middle. That gold in the middle is looking like 24 karat gold. 24 karat magic in the air. It's giving that. Sunflower, I like that one. Let me see what that one looks like. Good. That is Miss Nectar. And this is the Three palette. I guess it is called the Three palette. This looks really cool. Looks like really neutral, everyday kind of looking palette. Ooh. It's kind of got like some mauve-y kind of like pink vibes. Y'all can see it real good, but it's kind of has like mauve kind of pink colors in here. This color Bling, I like this one. Bling is cute. Okay, so now I need to figure out like what I want to do. Not me doing a thumbnail, but I wanted to do a smoky kind of look, but now I'm like, this color Rockstar is kind of like a champagne color in the Three palette. I put it next to the Bling color. It's kind of like a champagne color. Hope y'all can see that. Got my little mascara right here. It's pretty good too. My very first step that I usually do when I apply my makeup, I use a eye primer, eyeshadow primer. It isn't really mandatory, but I use it because my lids can get a little oily and it helps with that. It helps extend the stay of your eyeshadow and it does keep it from like creasing. So that's what I just applied, some of that. I think I'm gonna go with my gut and stick with the smoky palette. I've been wanting to do a smoky eyeshadow look on my channel too for a while. But I am loving the other two palettes. Yes, I'm gonna try their little brush right here. First color that I'm gonna try is Pink Lace. It's kind of like a pinkish beige. I'm gonna start off with that color and then I'm gonna put it in like my transition area. So far, I'm like building it up. I'm tapping in it. I like to tap my eyeshadow down and I do like a sweeping window wiper motion. Now I'm just like building up the color. I'm just wiping off the brush on like a paper towel right here. So now I'm gonna add like a little bit of depth to the eye. Now I think I want to try the color called Slate right here. Kind of like a grayish, purplish blue. So I tapped in it a few times. Let's see. It's got a little pigment. Yeah, I can see the pigment. Oh yeah, it's definitely some pigment there. I had a feeling it was gonna be more pigmented. Not like overly dusty or anything like that. The color is going on pretty smoothly. It's not dusty or powdery or anything. I'm gonna grab like a smaller blending brush and I'm gonna go back in with that Pink Lace just to blend out the edge of the color Slate because it's a little too rough right here. So I'm just gonna go back in with that Pink Lace. I just tapped in on this kind of smaller blending brush and I'm just trying to just blend out the edge. I'm gonna stick with this small brush right here and I'm gonna add a little bit more depth to the crease. Do I want to go plum with it? Okay, I'm gonna try this color Violet. It's kind of like an eggplant color, and then let me just tap in it just a little bit. I'm just going to bring that down lower. And then the key, like what I usually do, I like to go back in with the last color. So I just got a smaller brush right here. This isn't really necessary to change your brush, but I'm just gonna blend out that edge of that violet color just to even out that blend. I don't want it to look as harsh, but it's looking cute. My skin is a little dry right now. I think that I moisturize pretty well, but I just said that to say that I think that the shadow might be sticking to like some dry spots that I have around my eyes. I don't know if that's because of the makeup or, you know, I know that my skin is a little drier than normal right now because it's the winter time. But it kind of have like a metallic-y kind of color, this fossil. It's kind of like a pewter-ish kind of color. I think I want to do maybe like, I'm thinking about putting fossil on the outsides and then putting this color pure in the middle. So let's see how that goes. So I got a shader brush right here. I'm just gonna put that fossil color on the outer 1/3 and the inner 1/3 of my eye. And then I'm just wiping off the shader brush again on some paper towel. And then, or you could just flip it over, and then I'm just gonna go into the color Pure. It's kind of like a peachy champagne color. And then I'm just gonna put that in the middle of my eye. You can also use your finger to do this. But that's cute, you guys. I'm just gonna go back in with that violet color. That's our deepest color in the crease. just to define that a little bit more. Gonna go in with some liquid black liner. And I kind of got like a smoldering, like flat eyeshadow brush of color Thunder right here. I'm gonna put that underneath. I like to just look down like this. Do a little inner corner situation. I guess I would do like the lightest color in the palette. It's called Mallow. I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. Just a little subtle brightness. I also had the Lacura, their Brilliant Waterproof Mascara. I also got this from my sister-in-law. Now, waterproof is gonna be kind of hard to like get off of your eyes or whatnot, but you know, I'm gonna do this for y'all. I do have some micellar water, so it shouldn't be an issue getting it off. But waterproof mascara, you may want to use that for like humid type of environments. If it's humid, for like a wedding, that's when you may want to use waterproof mascara. But I love the packaging. Let's see what this wand is looking like. Oh, look at the wand. Kind of has like a different kind of tip at the top. So I'm just gonna try to apply some of this. This is the eye with mascara. This is the one without, and it looks cute, you guys. I feel like I don't really need any lashes for this look, because you can certainly see my lashes with this mascara on. So I think I can feel it burning a little bit. I don't know, is it me or is it burning? Your skin is, well, at least my skin is a little bit more sensitive to like drugstore makeup. I could feel it burning just a little bit. But I'm fine, you know. But I really do like this palette. I do want to try out the other ones. I had added some Rebel lipstick from MAC to complete the look, and I really like it. Let me know what y'all think down below. This is the Smoky palette. I love that this can be like a day look and it could be like a night look. You can switch out the lip to maybe like a lighter lip, but I feel like you can wear this look either at night or at work if you would like. But I really like this palette. Let me know what y'all think down below of the Smoky palette. So I did create a look with the Nectar palette, but y'all have to go onto my TikTok to check that out. I'll put my TikTok right here. Really like this palette, and this is the look that I had created with the Three palette, y'all. The blend came out really good. I was really surprised with the blend on this shadow. I might add it onto YouTube shorts too, you know. I could use the exposure or whatever. So yeah, let me know what y'all think below. The Smoky palette, of the Nectar palette, and of the Three palette. Let me know which one was y'all's favorite, and until next time, y'all, take care. Okay, so I also had the Lacura, I can't even talk. I can't even talk. Also, I had the Lacura. I don't know, is it Lacura or Lacura? I think it's Lacura. Let me find out that they using the same labs as what's her name in them. Also had the Lacura, they're brilliant. I also had the Lacura of the Nectar palette. So dry up a little bit. So I also had the Lacura Extend Lift. Okay. Oh dang.